Hello Internet, my name is Dennis from Unbox Solutions, and today I'll be showing you how to cash out your money from Coins.ph to Gcash. So stay tuned if you want to know. Now open Coins.ph app. That's where we will be getting started. Enter your PIN code to open the app, and then so let's just check my Coins.ph. You can see there my money, and then tap on cash out icon, and then we'll be choosing Gcash since that's our primary goal, and then enter the amount of how much you'll be cashing out. You can see there the charge, which is 2 pesos, and then the total amount will be 102 pesos. So just tap on next. Enter the phone number that will be your Gcash phone number. So mine, I'll be entering it here. That's so after entering the phone number of your Gcash account, enter the account holder name. So my name is Dennis Morales, so just put it in there, and then choose the wallet where the money will be coming from. In my case, it's on BTC wallet. Now slide to pay. We'll be waiting for it to process the payment. But while waiting, please subscribe to my channel. I'm on goal to 1,000 subscribers by this month. So there you'll be receiving a text message from Gcash that you've already received the amount. In my case, that's 100 pesos. So for now, let's check on my Gcash account if it's already there. So open Gcash. On the first, when you're already logged into your Gcash mobile app, so you just need to enter your PIN to log in. So as we can see there, my balance before is 40 pesos and now it's 140 pesos. I don't know why the transaction history is not showing up, but there you can see it's 140 pesos. So again, thank you so much for watching. If you have any question, just comment it below. My name is Dennis. Thank you and have a great day.